Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the main part to the Late Night with David Letterman theme on electric guitar. We'll be learning the chords, the strumming, and the guitar solo. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. Let's start with the intro, and the intro will sound like this. We'll need two chords for the intro. The first one is a B minor 7 flat 5. For that chord, with the middle finger, we're barring the G, B, and high E string at fret 10 and bringing in the index finger to fret 9 on the D string. We'll also need an F major 7 formed this way. For our F major 7, we're going to bar with the index finger, and then we'll bring in the ring finger to fret 12 on the high E string for F major 7. Okay? First chord, second chord. We'll strum those chords this way. Next, we'll move to the main part of the song, and it'll sound like this. For that part, we'll need these chords. The first chord in that progression is a G sharp minor 7 flat 5. We're forming it the same way that we formed our B minor 7 flat 5 up here. Okay, just moving it down like this. So we've got the index finger on the D string, and we're holding down the G, B, and high E string with the middle finger. We'll move to an A7 formed this way. We're barring everything from the D string down with the index finger and bringing in the middle finger to the G string, fret 6. We'll play an F sharp minor 7 flat 5 this way with the same shape as our first chord. And then we'll do a G7 here at fret 3 and use the same shape as we did on our A7. Now, here's how we're going to play our chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start our strumming with an up strum, like this. Next we'll go to the bridge, and the bridge is going to require us to play a C7 suspended 4 like this, C7, D sharp, A sharp, and then an F. Okay, so here's how we're going to form our C7 suspended 4. We're borrowing fret 3 from the A string down. We're going to bring in the ring finger to the D string fret 5 and the little finger to the B string fret 6. And that's strummed from the A string like that. We'll do a C7 by taking this finger and moving it to the 5th fret. We'll play a D sharp this way. And we're just playing those 3 strings. We're going to hold down the G string at fret 3, the D string at fret 5, and the B string at fret 4. We'll play an A sharp simply by holding down these 3 strings. And we'll slide that up to an F at the 10th fret, doing the same thing. So it's so the entire thing is here's our strumming pattern, starting with an up strum. Right after the bridge, we've got a break, and the break will sound like this. For the break, we'll be doing all down strums. We'll be going to a C minor 9, D minor 9, C minor 7, D minor 7, and an E minor 9. We'll form our C minor 9 by holding down the A string fret 3, the D string fret 1, the G string fret 3, and the B string fret 3. We'll raise that by 2 frets to get a D minor 9. We'll play a C minor 7 like this. We're borrowing everything from the A string down at fret 3, bringing in a finger to the B string fret 4 and the D string fret 5. We'll raise that to a D minor 7 by moving it up 2 frets. And we'll finish with an E minor 9 formed this way. And the E minor 9 was the same shape as the C minor 9 and D minor 9. So we've got a finger on the D string fret 5, the A string fret 7, the G string fret 7, and the B string fret 7, E minor 9. So once again, that's all down strums. So now let's learn the guitar solo, and it'll sound something like this. Well, that's about it for now. That's the main part of the Late Night with David Letterman theme on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.